In this video we're going to fix a Samsung TV, and I fixed quite a few already. So if you want to check out my Tampa Tech channel, YouTube channel, I'll show you. So right here I'm going to go ahead and show you what's going on. It's plugged in right now. Let's go ahead and push it back up, and it's getting that red light. First button, no response, or you might hear clicking or whatnot, and be clicking on and off, or if you're getting some like weird things going on with the power, I'll show you how to fix that. Alright, so what basically you want to do is unplug it first. Unscrew the whole frame all along the edges. This is for the stand, here and here, and here and here. That's for the stand. You want to take out that screw right there and that screw right there. But that's not all. If you're trying to take off the back cover, you're getting frustrated and you're using your strength, that's a bad idea, because you're going to break it worse than it already is. And maybe to a point where you can't even fix it at all. That screw gets everyone. Don't screw yourself with that screw. You will break your TV if you don't take that out. Alright, and it's tiny. It's a little baby screw. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this off. And you just go ahead and wiggle it off like that. Put the thing somewhere safe. Alright, now let's take a look. Look for the first thing you want to do is always unplug the TV, wait 5 minutes, plug it back into the wall, and see if the TV turns on. If it still doesn't turn on and you get that red LED light taunting you, you know, you didn't pay $500 to watch a red LED light. So let's go ahead and fix it. This TV repair for a 32-inch Samsung usually averages or anywhere between like $200 to $300. Okay, so but you're paying for some guys' experience and knowledge. You're not paying for, like, you know, it's not about the parts really. It's about the experience and knowledge they have. So when you're taking a look right here, you want to look for physical damage first. So the AC comes in here, the alternating current goes in there. And then this converts the alternating current to DC current to power on the inverter boards and the logic boards and so on and so forth. But if you have improper voltage somewhere, the TV will refuse to turn on, a safety feature, so it doesn't go up in smoke. You set your house on fire. Alright, that would be a bad thing. So if you see any obvious signs, let's look around, any loose cables or any sign. Oh, what is that? Oh, typical blown capacitor. So that's like pretty common repair, blown capacitor. Not always a solution, but I would say like 60 to 70% of the time it's a blown capacitor. It has something to do with the power. So let's go ahead and take out the screws on here. These are all pinch cables, and you pinch and you wiggle it off. Alright, and you pinch that and wiggle that off, and you pinch that. And don't wiggle that off. Come on! Damn! It's on there good. Ground, unplug the ground, unplug the power. Alright, and make sure you leave the screws in a safe spot. Alright. Wish I had a cameraman. I don't make enough money to have a cameraman. Alright, so once you have that off, let's flip it over. And which one is it? It's 800 microfarads. Remember what side? It's negative on the left side. Alright. And there's a location number on there, which you guys can't see, but I can. The location number is on the board somewhere, if I can focus. CM861. And it's a 2200 microfarad. So let's flip that board off and spin it around. And where is it? It's right there. So I'm going to show you how to unsolder and solder and so forth. This is a kind of lengthy video. Sorry about that. You can forward through it if you don't want to learn about this. If you do, I'm more than happy to teach you. There we go. Let's tighten that up. Tripod will never replace a cameraman. Alright, here we go. Let's move this forward. This is annoying me. So let's go get a solder gun. Weller. I use Weller 25 volt. 25 watts, 120 volts AC. Anyway, let's go ahead and unsolder that. I got a solder sucker right here on Radio Shack, or you go to my tampatech.blogspot.com and get it. Heat up the pin, and once you heat up the pin right there, so you heat up the pin, squeeze, and then boom, and then squeeze out the debris on the floor somewhere safe. Alright, heat up the pin again. Let me zoom in so you guys can get a better look. Alright, so you're heating up the pin again. Squeeze, push down, boom. That's pretty much it. Alright. And then on the other side, you want to wiggle that off. So you want to wiggle that off. If it's not coming out, which it's not, you want to heat it up the pin again. Just like that. Alright. And I have my solder gun right there. Just chilling. Well, smoking. And this is what it is. It's a cone head. So let's go ahead and replace that. And I got parts already, capacitors. I stocked up for you guys. Here's a cap kit. Alright, you can buy a cap kit. You click on the ads on the side of the video you see. If they show you like solder guns or cap kits or whatnot, if it's useful for you, go ahead and you can use that link, or you can go to tampatech.blogspot.com and you can buy the cap kits there. And I have a little, like, you'll see a little TV shop, whatnot. And here's the replacement. So you pretty much want to get the same exact value, 2200 microfarad. It says UF, but it's actually microfarad. And then 10 volt. See that right there? But you can go up on the volts. It could be 25 volt, which it can handle up to 25 volts. But the rating should be about the same, 2200 microfarads. Some people, if you have a weird capacitor or cap, I'm just going to say cap because cap's easier for me to say. Capacitor is a pain in the ass. And but if you have a weird cap and you can't find it anywhere to buy, and it's 820 microfarad cap, you can get away in the power supply with 1000 microfarads and 10 volt or 25 volt if it fits in the spot. It's not really recommended, but it'll probably work. But again, this is like 60-70% of the time it'd be the capacitors and the power supply causing the LCD not to turn on. So you see that shaded spot right there? That's the negative. And the stripe right there, that's the negative. So you want to match that up. Alright. Push it straight down, flush. And then pull the leg out and pull the leg out. And then you want to solder it. Heat it up. Dab it. Heat it up. Dab it. Easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes. And then next thing you want to do is you want to clip it off, which I don't have clippers. Where's my damn clippers? I have a capacitor meter too, in case of some caps can be bad, by the way, and you not know it. Let's go ahead and clip that off. So some caps, like this cap, and this cap could be bad. Oh, not that cap, I just replaced it. But this cap could be bad and look good. So you have to take capacitors out of circuit to read them, by the way. And you need a cap meter. So you take them out of circuit and you read them on a cap meter. And if they read like, I don't know, 15% low of its value, then replace it. Alright, let's go ahead and put it in. Always double check your work. So on and so forth. This is like like a $200 repair. Like $300 repair. This is a 32-inch TV. And let's go ahead and put the screws in. So, I got a magnetic tip, by the way. Alright. Almost done. Double check your work, make sure there's no screws missing or loose debris. Alright, and then let's go ahead and turn it on. See if it turns on now. Oh, that's beauty. Yes. That's a beautiful thing. Thanks for watching. Post a comment, subscribe. Only thing I have to do now is just put the back cover on. But I'm not going to waste my time putting the back cover on. So, anyhow, if this helped you, subscribe to me for more future videos like this. I got reviews and repairs and a whole bunch of goodies. Just check out my channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.